Hi students, Mr. Shan here. I wanted to send everyone this message. I wanted to do it in person just because sometimes writing things on Google Classroom is it's not as personal, and I feel like the message it doesn't get sent across as easily. So here's a message. Um, I really miss you guys a whole lot. I don't know whether or not you guys miss school, but boy, I sure do. Okay, um, I really miss seeing you guys. I really miss standing in front of the classroom, and I sincerely hope that all this will end sooner rather than later, and we can all get together and celebrate. Um, we really were robbed of the end of the year. I'm really sorry for that. Um, However, the second message I wanted to bring across was um, I want you all to keep in mind what the end goal for this year was, okay? Uh, what your end goal was. Because I can still remember, like it was yesterday, when all of you guys sat in the classroom in front of me, and when I asked who here is seriously considering and taking the AP exam, um, I would say 90+% of you guys raised your hand and were like super enthused. I hope that you guys are still eager, that you guys are still hungry to pursue getting this credit. This exam right now, the way that it's structured, I think it would be crazy for you guys to not try to go through this. Uh, by now, I've sent out so many announcements regarding the AP exam, so you guys should know about this. It's it's gonna be it's only going to be 45 minutes long. It will have two questions. The first question will be 30 minutes long, and then the second question will be 20 minutes long. Um, 30 and 20 because I think the first question, technically, it's like 25 minutes plus 5 minutes for you to submit. And then the second question is 15 minutes plus another 5 minutes for you to submit. I think it's like that. Um, but again, it's open book, open notes, open everything. And since last week, or actually rather, by the end of this week being the week of May, not May, April 27, okay, we will have covered all the material needed for the exam. So you have all the material in you. It is now time for you to take that knowledge and do with it what you can. Earn that credit. I implore you. Those of you who are thinking about going into STEM related fields, yes, this is going to be super important because this is foundation. This is foundational building. Those who are not thinking about going to STEM related fields, okay, or perhaps want to go into um, fields that are entirely the polar opposite of anything math or science related, this exam is just as important. And the reason for that is if you end up getting credit in this exam, just think about it. If you end up getting credit for this exam, you will be done with the math credit in college. You will not have to take math. And let me tell you, taking math in college is very different from taking math in high school, as I have expressed many, many, many times. So just think about that. Sitting for this 1 hour long exam, okay, can potentially change the course of your college experience. Okay, I don't see there being any harm in trying that. If you think that at this point it's what's the point? It's just gonna sit it out. I again believe that at the very least, okay, you sat through it and you've attempted it. Whatever credit you can get, I think it will still be a positive experience. So again, I want to say to you, just reconsider. If you think that you, at this point, just don't want to do it, okay? Just think about that again. Anyway, that's the message I wanted to send. I hope everyone is doing okay. I miss you all very, very much. And hopefully we can all see each other in person, face to face. If you guys have any questions related to the course, as we're approaching the last week before the actual AP exam. The exam date is on May 12th, by the way, right? You should definitely attend office hours. Sadly, I've been getting consistently pretty much only maybe one, at most two people attending office hours, which is not a good sign. However, I am really proud of all of you for going through all the Khan Academy assignments and having gone through all the various exercises. So I am really, really proud of you for doing that. However, just really reconsider practicing for the AP, going through the AP exam questions, and trying it out. Okay. I hope everyone is doing well, and looking forward to seeing you guys. Take care. Bye bye.